Hello everyone. Uh, now today we learn how successful healthcare entrepreneur can create multiple income streams while maintaining clinical excellence. This is not just a theory; it's a practical roadmap for financial stability and growth in today's challenging healthcare environment. Right? So by the end of the session, you will able to design your own hybrid revenue model. The first thing is this is divided into two parts. One is the active income and second one is the passive income. So direct exchange of time of money, clinical hours, surgeries and consultation is a primary bucket, while in the passive is income generated with minimal ongoing effort, include the digital health programs, royalties and automated system. So what is the multi-stream revenue plan? Let us begin basic. A multi-stream revenue plan means earning money from more than one sources, right? You can see this map. You can see this map. How can you earn money from more than one sources? Okay, so it's depend on the active mode, like seeking patient, and passive mode, like online courses and subscriptions. In healthcare, this approach is becoming essential because relying only OPD consultation makes the vulnerable to external factors. So revenue streams are simply in different channels through which a business and professional earns money. Example include the clinical consultation, subscription packages, digital products, okay, telemedicine, content monetization, affiliated partnership and investigation. So the goal is to build a system where if one stream slows down, after continue to generate income. Okay, so what are the importance of the diversification? You can see that one is the cash flow instability, hospital dependence and financial security, right? So why is diversification is so important? Because it helps to business and professionals reduce the financial risk, maintain stable cash flow, reach new market and patient segments, increase long-term profitability and sustainability. In simple words, don't pull all your eggs in one basket, right? So cash flow is also faces the challenges. You can see that in this slide, okay, how telemed and digital health growth get the revenue from different sources. Remote patient monitoring and virtual care, it's give the revenue by 2034. So it's many, it's provide the benefit are, some are benefit are scalable, some are benefits are advantage, great financial scalability, reduce the dependence of client type of insurance company, reduce dependence on one client, a type of increase opportunities for growth factors and innovation, long-term wealth creation for you and your family. Diversification gives you a freedom, right? Freedom practices medicine the way you want. So it's a strategic plan. You can see that the roadmap. First one is the clinical foundation, establish expertise through the direct care and clinical expertise. Scalable asset are the converting knowledge into the digital products, telehealth and online payment and long-term wealth. You can see that investments in real estate, medical franchise and intellectual property. Now it's divided into different phases. The first phase is the foundation, scalable asset and long-term. So in the foundation asset, about the starting, when you already have your clinical skills and expertise. So for example, the freelancing freelancing consulting, premium procedures, specialized packages, or high value second opinions. This phase has low startup cost and generates a quick income. It gives the many advantages. The most benefit are the low financial risk, faster income generations, and minimal income generations, minimal learning curve, and builds confidence and capable for the next phases. So this is a perfect starting for busy doctors. Validity demand. So in this stage, they start the small concept, start small, offer the pilot projects, test market demands, build your own first client relationships, and generate early cash flow. So before launching a massive online course, run a pilot wellness program. It's an existing patient, gather feedback and refine the content, and come on the data driven iteration. Is like a use survey. Ask the question from the different type of the patient to make a digital solution, and come the platform digitalize evidence which is shows that the product sell better in healthcare entrepreneurship. So now come on the phase 2. This is the scalable asset. Once you have the scalable income, right, move to phase 2, building asset. Building asset that work for you. This include the digital products, online courses, and content type platforms, subscription services. This asset generate income with less and less daily efforts, right? This is the digital product and scalability. You can see that through the different platform like ebook services, like treatment guides, diet plans, comprehensive courses, templates, and took toolkits. It's provide the better benefit for any individual. You can see that scalable background increases the revenue for any kind of benefits, and because digital health is accelerating this shift, subscription based technique companies is growing nearly 4.6 times faster than now. So 24/7 monitoring becoming a major role. It gives the future train. So it's one of the most important part to get benefit from the digital products. Authority and branding. Authority and branding, it's mean that high quality health content. It gives the high level of the benefit for your project, because when you are working in the digital platform, it's give the high level of the revenue for your work and the multi-stream programs, because you know that technology is transforming healthcare entrepreneurship. Artificial intelligence and healthcare analysts can improve the patient diagnosis or appointment scheduling, administration efficiency, personalized treatment planning. So entrepreneur can build the revenue streams through healthcare software solution, right? AI diagnostic tool, wearable devices, B2B type healthcare services, and home healthcare is another opportunities where you can easily build a revenue stream. Many elder patients need the chronic diseases type receiving the healthcare at home. Lean healthcare e-commerce, right? So it's also the one of the most important thing, because services may include the nursing care, physical therapy, home diagnostic testing, and elder care support. So home healthcare businesses is also type kind of the e-commerce. This sector expanded to continue at aging globally and targeted many population, which gives the benefit to the patient who cannot come regular basis for the appointment, but they can take care themselves with the help of digitalization. And this healthcare also give the benefit also in the pharmaceutical background. For example, clinic may collaborate the pharmaceutical company, insurance provide medical devices manufacturers or healthcare services technology firms. Partnership may include the referral agreement, sponsorship, awareness programs, product distributions, and research collaboration. So this is the outcome of e-commerce. The power of subscription is one of the most important part, because you can also explore drop shipping, right? On demand health products, subscription services, monthly wellness packages, chronic disease programs. This kind of things are especially powerful because they create a predictable recurring revenue and long-term patient relationships. So it gives the large revenue, and people are getting benefit from that kind of, because education is another platform profitable a scalable healthcare revenue stream. Healthcare professional can monetize their expertise by offering the online healthcare system like healthcare coaching, wellness portals, so medical workshop like CPR, first aid, professional certification program, webinars, and the healthcare workers education services can be delivered physically or digitally. So this create the opportunity not for only doctors but also for the different kind of the medical background people. Long-term investment is one of the most important strategy, where you invest your profit into the asset and that grow over time. Real estate, medical clinics, and cost grow over time. Real estate is like a medical estate, medical clinics, rental properties, stocks, and royalties, intellectual property. So this phase through financial freedom and generation wealth, because long-term investment gives the very important revenue for your business. And the future healthcare entrepreneurship will be driven by innovation. Important future trends like AI to healthcare, personalized, wearable and technology, remote patient monitoring. Entrepreneur can adopt the technological change and patient expectation and opportunities in growth. So intellectual property royalty, your clinical inventions, protocols are most valuable asset. Protect them, license them, and them pay you forever. Medical patients, book royalties, and license methods. So this is the essential financial background. You can see that it's a category, it's a recommended tools, and what are the benefit. In the accounting, you can use the QuickBooks Zero. It gives the automated tax tracking or reporting at any time. You can easily access your accounting, and it's also the safe for the future revenue method. And in the second, banking rely financial and Mercury, seamless profit first banking. And analytics is like custom revenue dashboard, tracking LTV, acquisition cost, automation is Zapier, Stripe, scaling recurring payment without manual entry. So you can easily manage your financial tools. Managing the multiple stream needs proper system. Tools like Rely, the financial QuickBooks, we have already discussed, track all revenue separately, automate tax saving, generate clear financial report. Organization turn complexity into the clarity. Navigating challenges. So in this, like burnout risk, trying to do everything at once, solution outsource, not clinical task early. You can easily your work-life balance with the help of this, and because this kind of thing can easily give you the advice and treatment, core clinical services and subscription membership, which gives the digital product and content, and also it's come on the passive kind of the investment. This is the future of health technology. You can see that in this graph how AI and digital therapeutics personalized health is moving above, which gives the major revenue in the future by time 2035. So this is the case study. You can see that in the case study you can see that clinical income is the 40% and online course is the 30%, and subscription fee is the 50%, and investment and revenue is 15%. It's mean with the help of the different background you can easily access your money in different platform for the long term purpose. In the revenue you can earn from the multiple background by using your skill. So the winning formula is the hybrid revenue model. It gives a core clinical services, subscription membership. This kind of combination provides scalability and sustainability, right? So when we take away the start building digital asset which is maintain the clinical foundation, it's one of the most important for the future generation of the revenue. It makes passive active, make the both portfolio income of resilience, solve problem, make easy access for the patient and solve their problem with the help of the digitalization. And legal first, protect your brand, ethical compliance, use the IP to protect your brand name. So future belongs to the polymath practitioner. Innovation no longer optimal in healthcare. Build a business that serves patients globally while creating a life of financial freedom yourself. So to conclude, the multiple revenue streams provide the financial security and business stability. The phased approach can grow gradually, active income, scalable asset, and smart investment, right? So together, long-term wealth. Start building your second and third revenue stream this month. Thank you so much.